Where are we?
We're at Ulta.
Ulta.
Right now. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Stupid thing's not focusing.
Take my picture on your phone. Happy Sunday. Good morning. We just got back from church. It's Palm Sunday, so Sunday before Easter. It was super good. Yeah, I'm about to go to Lennox and shop. I'm wanting some like black loafers that I can wear at work but are also cute, and just see if I could get, if there's any cute dresses out, spring summer clothes. I'm going on a couple trips and would like some clothes for those trips, so just gonna see. And then maybe on the way back go by the grocery store, get what I want for the week, and go to Starbucks. And then around the house, I need to do laundry. I need to clean the bathroom. I've been needing to clean the bathroom. And I have a YouTube video I want to finish editing and posting. I've done most of the editing, so yeah, just a very busy, productive Sunday. But we got up, we got moving. I also want to start our book club book, so for Max and I's book club. So yeah, happy Sunday. Bye. All right, I'm at Macy's and there's some cute stuff here. I don't know. I might need to shop a bit for things I didn't come for. I love that. Ooh, I love the denim. Let's see, how much? $80? Not bad. Alright, I'm not Kroger. I'm gonna go get my groceries for the week and get stuff for dinner. Tonight it's the Masters Day, so I want to hurry and get back so I can watch it. I just dropped Max off at Masters party, so I'll probably pick him up and have dinner ready when it's over. So yeah, that's kind of the situation. I'm making sweet potato nachos tonight, so I will definitely film that. Alright, it's Sunday. I'm about to make my sweet potato nachos. Actually, I'm not making them, it's only 3. I just am gonna prep, have all the onion, everything prepped, so then it'll just be easy to cook it later. But first, I'm gonna wash sweet potatoes because they're disgusting. So. Alright, I washed it. I'm gonna cut like the ends off so I can slice it in the mandolin. I'm watching the Masters right now. Bryson is just like beat Rory, and I don't remember what hole this is, but it's really close. So, alright, I've actually never used this, so I hope I do it right. Max said you have to push hard to get it like thick enough. Oh, I did it! So it goes this way. I'm like not doing it thick enough at all. It's hard. Well, they might be sweet potato chips. They're super thin, but this will take me 8 minutes, so I'll see y'all in a little. I'm just watching Masters and doing some work. I just have a lot of work or things that I do tomorrow, and I just kind of want to get it done so I'm not stressed tomorrow, so making progress. But the Masters is good, and I really want Rory to win. I don't know, it's very stressful. No one told me this is very stressful when you want someone to win. Alright, all the sweet potatoes are done. I have 2 sheets of these. I'm gonna get the oven going, and these are gonna cook for a while before I put the toppings on them. So I'm gonna put olive oil and salt and pepper on the sweet potatoes, and that's probably it. And cook it for, I'm gonna eyeball it because these are very thin, but I'm gonna start the meat now. Also, I want Rory to win so bad, but he like screwed up on one of the holes. Anyways, yeah, I think these are gonna be good. Like, these are so thin. I think I could get them like chips, so. Good sweet potato nachos. All right, I'm cooking 3 pounds of ground beef. I'm using 93% lean. I like the lean meat. I think it tastes good, and there's 4 servings per container, 170 calories, 23 grams of protein, so a lot, but I think I'm gonna eat this for like 3 meals, and Max will eat it for 3 or so, or 4. So I'm just gonna cook it all so we have a few meals for the week. And I use this taco seasoning for any like taco Mexican type food. It's the best. It's so flavorful. So I'm gonna cook this now. All right, adding some graza. I think it's hot enough now. Okay, and then I'm gonna put all 3 pounds of the meat in, which feels like a lot. Rory just had a really good shot at hole, I think 15, so maybe he's back in it. We got the meat going. We unfortunately don't have like the thing with, there's like a middle thing that makes it easy to like separate the meat, so this is just gonna take me a while, but that's okay. I did like 2.5 hours of work today, and honestly I'm glad, because I think that's gonna make tomorrow like not stressful. I might do a little more. We'll see. That is so much meat, but that's okay. Alright, I'm just gonna cut an avocado up. I'm not eating anytime soon, just to have it prepped. See, it's literally perfect. Wow, that is such a good avocado. Okay. The meat's almost cooked. It still has probably a couple minutes, but I'm gonna add the taco seasoning in now. So, I didn't add it yet just because I like to see it. I don't know how to tell if it's cooked when I add it, because it changes like the color, so I kind of wait till it's almost cooked or all the way cooked, and yeah. Now I just dump it until it looks like enough. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix it. I try and put it in like the water part because that helps absorb the flavor, but you don't have to do that. You just, this is what it looks like. I'm definitely gonna add like a good bit more. It's so good. The meat's cooked. I just pulled the pico out. I just buy the pico from Kroger because their pico is so good. It's just, I don't know. I haven't had pico that I like as much of it. I think it's because it's super lime-y, but pulling that out, I'm gonna chop some lettuce up. So yeah. Please beat this. Shoot.
Alright, the sweet potatoes are mostly cooked, so I added the meat and now I'm gonna put cheese on, and then you boil it for 5 minutes and then it's done. You add your veggies. Yeah, looks delish. That's what it looks like before you boil it, so it's delicious. I'm just boiling the other one and then gonna do this one. Alright, so we did the sweet potatoes, the ground beef, cheese, and then for my veggies, I added pico, red onion, lettuce, avocado, and then lime juice, and it looks so good. Take a bite. I'm gonna eat it with a fork because it's kind of messy. So good, so healthy, and I have a bunch of meals prepped, and I'm watching the playoffs of the Masters. I'm like, oh, Rory, please win. You keep messing up. He keeps making cool, amazing things, and then messing up on the easy stuff. Here's the dinner. Happy Friday, it's Easter weekend, and I'm gonna vlog this weekend because we get to see family and do a lot of fun things. So it's currently Friday night, and I thought I charged this, but I didn't, so I guess I won't bring it, but I'll video on my phone. But we're gonna go do some returns at the mall, go get dinner, and go to Aldi. So that's our crazy Friday night. Bye. Happy Saturday. We just woke up and got ready for the day. We're about to get coffee at Perk. Well, Max is. He's getting like a banana flavor. It has a graham cracker crust. Sounds good. And then we're gonna go walk at Chastain, but I'm gonna take my Crystal Light drink to go. Cheers. And then we're gonna head to Woodstock and Easter festivities start. Max is making lunch. What are you making?
Buffalo chicken wraps.
Buffalo chicken wraps. So we just got these wraps from Whole Foods, and then a bunch of rotisserie chicken, cheese, lettuce, avocado. You literally all just put it in the wrap and heat it up. It's so easy. Putting the avocado now. Chicken. We like a lot of chicken in ours. Add some lettuce. Gonna add cheese.
I'm not gonna let you film me wrapping it. I'm gonna fail. Oh shoot! I meant to put this. Dang it! That was stupid.
And then you add, we love Kinders and Hidden Valley Light Ranch. Looks delicious though. Thanks for cooking.
It's gonna be hard to wrap with the sauce on top. I did it last time.
Oh
It's a
no.
bad idea. You gotta do sauce on the bottom.
Alright. Look at that. Max made us our buffalo wraps. They look really good. I'll do a taste test. Mmm.
Yeah.
Mmm. Really good. Buffalo chicken wrap. Mm-hmm.
Oh no!
Happy Saturday.